Okay, dear students, in this class, let us discuss about potential energy of an electric dipole in the region of uniform electric field. Potential energy of an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Electric dipole means it is the pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. And dipole moment means it is the product of strength of the either pole and length of the electric dipole is called electric dipole moment. And uniform electric field, this is very important. Uniform electric field means the electric field is distributed equally throughout that region is called uniform electric field. Potential energy of an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Due to the electric dipole means it is the pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole in a region of uniform electric field. Now, I consider the region of uniform electric field. This is the region of uniform electric field. Electric field lines in case of uniform electric field moving in the straight path with equidistant and parallel to one another. Here this is the region of uniform electric field. This is the region of uniform electric field. Here now electric dipole is placed in the region of uniform electric field. Electric dipole means a pair of equal and opposite charges. Pair of equal and opposite charges. This is the positive charge and here this is the negative charge. A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Here this distance is taken as a 2a. This is the dipole length. A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by this small distance. This is called electric dipole. Here, this electric dipole is placed in the region of this uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. In case of uniform electric field lines are moving in the straight path with equidistant and parallel to one another. When the electric dipole is placed in the region of uniform electric field, placed in the region of uniform electric field. Here, this electric dipole is always tends to align the direction of electric field. And the electric dipole is placed in the region of electric field. The electric field lines are moving in this direction along the positive x-axis. This electric dipole is always tends to align the direction of electric field. Always tends to align the direction of electric field, which makes a certain angle theta. But here, some work must be done. Some work must be done when this dipole is moved against the direction of electric field. Some work must be done when this dipole is moved against the direction of electric field. Here, the torque is produced due to the couple of forces. Torque is produced due to the couple of forces. Here, force acting on this charged particle is, that is, F is equal to plus Q into E. That is electric force. And force acting on this charged particle is, that is, F is equal to minus Q into E. Due to these two forces are equal in strength but opposite in charge. This is moving in this direction and it is moving in this direction. Due to these couple of two forces, the torque is produced. When this electric dipole is placed in the region of electric field, this electric dipole is always tends to align the direction of electric field, but some work must be done to move this electric dipole against the direction of electric field, which makes a certain angle theta. Due to the couple of these two forces, here the torque is produced. We know the formula: torque due to the electric dipole. Torque due to the electric dipole, that is tau is equal to Pe into sin theta. The torque due to the electric dipole. Torque in an external electric field. Already we have discussed about that concept in unit 1, electric charge and electric field. Here we know that formula: tau is equal to Pe sin theta, which makes a certain angle theta here. Here some amount of work must be done to rotate this electric dipole against the electric field, which makes a certain angle theta. But we know that torque formula here, torque is equal to displacement, or torque is equal to, it is the product of force and displacement. Some amount of work must be done to rotate this electric dipole against the direction of electric field. That work done, here the small amount of work done, dW is, small amount of work done is dW. That is here dW is equal to, work done is equal to torque into angular displacement. Here the some amount of work must be done to move this electric dipole against the direction of electric field. Here the small work done dW is equal to torque into angular displacement, that is d theta. Here angular displacement d theta. Now I can write this equation: dW is equal to, torque is Pe sin theta, into d theta. This is equation number 2. Here to calculate the total work done, from initial position, here dW is equal to torque is equal to Pe sin theta, substitute the values here, into angular displacement d theta. To calculate the total work done, we use the integration. From using integration, now I am going to calculate the total work done from initial position to final position, or theta 1 to theta 2. Here the theta 1, it is in this position. Theta 1 is pi by 2, and theta 2 along the direction of electric field, or here the electric dipole is always tends to align the direction of electric field. Now we get the equation: W is equal to, or integration of dW. Integration of dW is equal to integration of Pe sin theta into d theta, with lower limit theta 1 and upper limit theta 2. Here theta 1, it is initially in this position. Here this is perpendicular to the direction of electric field. That value is theta 1 is equal to here pi by 2, and theta 2 is equal to theta, because electric dipole is always tends to align the direction of electric field. We don't know exactly that value, but we know the initial value, that is theta 1 is equal to pi by 2. From using the integration formula, the integration of dW is, that is W is equal to, here P is the dipole moment. Dipole moment means it is the product of strength of the either pole and dipole length, is called dipole moment. E is the electric field. These two values are constant value. Take constant value outside, that is W is equal to P into E, integration of pi by 2 into theta into here sin theta into d theta. We know the formula: integration of sin x into dx is equal to minus cos x, or integration of sin theta into d theta is equal to minus cos theta. From using that formula, here we can write this equation: W is equal to Pe into minus cos theta with the lower limit pi by 2 and upper limit theta. Now substitute these two values here, upper value minus lower value, we get W is equal to, take the negative value outside, that is minus PE into here cos theta minus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is, we know the formula, the cos pi by 2 value is 0 degree. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Here cos 90 value is 0, then you get this work done, W is equal to minus PE into cos theta. W is equal to minus PE into cos theta. This is equation number 3. W is equal to minus PE into cos theta. This amount of work is done in an electric dipole as a potential energy. This amount of work is done in an electric dipole in the form of potential energy, that is potential energy of an electric dipole in the region of uniform electric field. Here U is equal to minus PE into cos theta, which is the expression for the potential energy of an electric dipole in an uniform electric field. Suppose express this equation in vector form, you know that value. Here U is equal to minus vector P dot vector E. Here the dipole moment is also vector quantity, the electric field is also a vector quantity, which is the expression for potential energy due to the electric dipole in a uniform electric field. This is the vector form of that. Which is the expression for potential energy of an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. But when this potential energy is maximum, potential energy is minimum and potential energy is 0 due to an electric dipole placed in the region of uniform electric field. Suppose now I consider this is the region of electric field and a pair of equal and opposite charges. The pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, that is 2a. The electric dipole is placed in the region of electric field. Here at this position U is equal to 0. U equal to 0 means 0 potential energy. 0 potential energy. And the electric dipole is along the direction of electric field. When the electric dipole is placed along the direction of electric field or parallel to the direction of electric field, in this case here theta is equal to 0 degree. Here cos 0 degree is equal to value. Cos 0 degree value is 1. Cos 0 degree value is 1. But this electric dipole is placed anti-parallel to the direction of the electric field. In this direction, anti-parallel to the direction of electric field here, theta is equal to 180 degree and cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. These are the different cases. These are the different cases. From using this relation, U is equal to minus P cos theta. In the first case, here, if theta is equal to 0 degree, this is the stable position. This is stable position. Potential energy for a stable position. Along this direction, this is unstable position. In this direction, this is 0 potential energy. If theta equal to 0 degree, then we get U is equal to minus PE into cos 0 degree. P into cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree equal to value is 1. 1 into minus PE, that is here U minimum. U minimum is equal to minus PE. U minimum is equal to minus PE. In the second case, if theta is equal to 180 degree, this is unstable position. Theta equal to 180, cos 180 degree value is minus 1. From using the relation U is equal to minus PE cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree is minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Then the potential energy is maximum. U maximum is equal to plus P into E. U maximum is equal to plus P into E. In the third case, if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta equal to 90 degree means the potential energy is 0 at this position. When the potential energy is produced, the work must be done to move the electric dipole against the direction of electric field, then only the potential energy is stored. The work done is stored as a potential energy. If theta equal to 90 degree, cos 90 degree value is 0. From using this relation, U is equal to minus PE cos theta. U equal to minus PE cos theta. Here cos theta value is 90 degree, then the potential energy is 0. These are the different cases of the electric dipole placed in the region of uniform electric field. In the first case, theta equal to 0 degree, it is in the stable position along the direction of electric field. If theta equal to 180 degree, it is unstable position anti-parallel to the direction of electric field. If theta equal to 90 degree, here the potential energy is 0 in this case. This is about potential energy of an electric dipole or potential energy of an electric dipole in the region of uniform electric field. Thank you.